Hey guys, my name is Patrick Cogen and in this video I'm going to teach you how to create a high converting lead magnet funnel step by step, so stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button right below this video. This channel is all about growing your online business, whether it's affiliate marketing, email marketing, landing pages, sales funnels or building websites so you can take your business to the next level. Okay, let's get right into it. I'm gonna show you exactly how to create a high converting lead magnet funnel inside Builderall and what elements are important to make it work. So I'm logged into my Builderall account and then I go to this builders bar, then drag and drop Pixel Perfect and then sales funnels. It's gonna take me to a page where I can choose my sales funnel. So I'm gonna scroll down and choose this one called lead magnet funnel. So on this page, I'm going to scroll down and choose Edit Template. So now we are inside Editor and we can start making changes to make our lead magnet funnel work. So first of all, I'm going to save the funnel. I'm going to write here and click Save. I'm going to name it Lead Magnet Funnel and then press Send. And then save. Okay. Now we are gonna go to this website called Clickbank, which is one of the biggest affiliate networks out there. Basically, you can create your account right here, but we are gonna go ahead and click this affiliate marketplace. And as you can see, there are lots of categories and we will choose one that's called health and fitness. And on this page, there are several products I can promote, but I'm gonna choose one that is really selling. And in order to do that, you sort results by not popularity, but gravity. This means basically the higher the gravity is, the more the product sells. But I'm not gonna choose this one, which has the most gravity. I'm gonna scroll a little bit and choose this one called Fat Decimator System. So I'm gonna go ahead and open two pages. This will be the one with the product. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video.
Warning.
And I'm gonna go back and I will also open the affiliate page so I can use some tools for our lead magnet funnel. So let's go there.
What's up, folks? I'm back.
Okay, I'll just stop the video. And on this page, you can click here to get started and you can enter your information to get to affiliate page, or you can just click this bar right here and delete this tail right here and press enter. And now we are getting into affiliate page, and as you can see on this right side, there are lots of tools we can use to promote this product with our sales funnel. So let's go back to this editor. And now we want to change this logo right here. So if I go back here to this affiliate page, this is the logo. So we can save the logo by right clicking and saving image as. I'm not going to do that because I did it earlier. So let's go back to my editor and then I press on this logo, right click and then change image. Now, as you can see, my logo is right here. I just click this and confirm. Okay, I can make it much bigger, like this for example, and I can move it to the left side. Okay, now I will change the headline. So I'll go back to this original website, which is fatdecimator.com, and we can use something from here. So for example, this one. You are about to discover the one veggie you can stop eating. So let's go back to the editor and I can just change the title to You are about to discover the one veggie. Let's go back. you can stop eating. You should stop eating to burn that forced Sharon's body to burn a total of 41 pounds of pure fat. So let me use that. Stop eating to burn pure fat quickly. Okay. Let's make it like this, like this. Okay, this looks very nice. Also, I'm gonna change some of the text right here. So for example, discover the one veggie. I'm gonna highlight it and change it to red. Okay. And also burn pure fat quickly. We can do it as well. Red. Okay. So now we have our title ready. Okay. We can change this text. I'm gonna go back to this page and we can add these 4 bullet points. So let's go back. Okay. And make it like first one, without killing yourself at the gym. Without killing yourself at the gym. Now, without starving yourself. Without starving yourself. Then, without taking any dangerous supplements. Without taking any dangerous supplements. And the last one, without ever feeling hungry. Without ever feeling hungry. Oh, sorry, hungry. Okay, we can highlight this without and make it bold. Also this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, now I move it like this. Okay. Also, we can change the image in here. I suggest to make the conversions higher, to change the image for like a video. I'm gonna show you guys. So when I right click and I choose appearance, then I go to these colors and then this green arrow. And I'm gonna upload the image which looks like a video. This is the one. I'm gonna confirm. Okay. And as you can see, this image looks like a video, but if they wanna click it, they can't just play it right here. They have to first enter their information and then they will take them to a page and they can play the video. So in order to do that, first we are gonna connect this page to our autoresponder called Mailing Boss, which is an autoresponder inside Builderall and is working very well. So in order to do that, I'm gonna right click this contact form and I'm gonna configure. Then you can choose your own autoresponder, for example get response, but in this case I'm gonna use Mailing Boss and I'm gonna connect it to my Fat Decimator system. This is my subscribers list I created before. If you don't know how to create a subscribers list, I will put a link in the description so you can go ahead and check it out. So, okay, I will move this down like here. I'm gonna go left and click this plus sign button and then I wanna text. And I will choose something small like this, for example. I can close this. I move it right here and I will change this text to simply enter your name and email address below. Okay. So it looks really, really nice. Now I'm gonna change the button. So right click, change button, and then I'm gonna put here like show me the video. Confirm. Okay, and one last thing, I want to redirect people from this page after they enter the information to the thank you page. And in order to do that, I'm gonna right click this contact form, then change URL, and then where it says subscription confirmed, you can click to this no action and then select thank you page. Okay, I can also do that for pending subscribe. I'm gonna click no action, then page, and then I will select thank you page. Okay, and confirm. Confirm. Okay, what about this? I can delete this logo, we don't need to use it twice. And this copyright, I can change it to copyright 2019 and then fat decimator system. Okay. Now, as you can see, we have our lead magnet page ready. So let's go ahead and go to the thank you page and edit the page as well. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go to thank you page. Okay, now I'm here. So in this particular example, I'm gonna change this text to congrats, you are in. Okay, and this text we will change to watch the video below to discover. No. So let's see it. The one veggie you can stop eating. Okay, discover the one veggie you should stop eating in order to burn pure fat quickly and effectively. Okay, I'm gonna make it bold and much bigger, like this, for example. And then I'm gonna change this video. So I'm gonna delete this one and I'm gonna go to this plus sign button right here and I'm gonna choose audio and video. Now I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna choose this Vimeo. Okay, I'm gonna go back to this affiliate page and I'm gonna scroll down where it says videos. I'm gonna click it. And then on this page, as you can see, you have the video right here, and this is the link we need. So I'm gonna copy just from here, the playervimeo.com video, and until here. All we need is just this, what I highlighted. So I'm gonna copy it, I'm gonna go back to my editor, and now I'm gonna right click this video, I'm gonna configure, and then after that HTTPs, I'm gonna choose this one and just paste it right here and click confirm. Okay, and now we have your video right here. I'm gonna make it much bigger, like this. Okay, like this. I can close this. Great. Now we will delete this, and we have this call to action button which can be changed. So I changed the button, I changed the text to yes, Patrick, I want it now. Okay, so after they watch the video, we can redirect them to our affiliate link, which I'm gonna show you how to create. So let's go back to this affiliate page. So let's move up and choose this where it says quick links, create your affiliate links. Here you can enter your affiliate ID. In this case, I'm gonna use just test ID. And this is the standard link, which is best converting. I'm gonna just grab this link and I'm gonna, I'm gonna grab this link and I'm gonna just copy it. I'm gonna go back to my editor, and now when I press right click on this button and then action, I'm gonna click web address, and here I paste my link and press OK. So now we're gonna save it. Save. Okay. And what happens now? So let's go back to my lead magnet page. Your traffic comes to this page, and after they submit the information right here, they will be redirected to this thank you page, which is right here. They can watch the video, and after they watch the video, they can click this button right here, and they will be redirected to this page, and when they buy, you earn a commission. Okay, so let's go back. Also, many of them won't buy, and that's why you have their contact information, and you can send them regular emails with lots of valuable stuff, building trust with them, and over time they will buy from you. Okay, now when we are ready and we save the page, we are gonna go back to my Builderall account and then to this My Sites. And when we need to activate that lead magnet funnel so we can start sending traffic and start building our list. So as you can see, here is my lead magnet funnel. I'm just gonna hit publish and press OK. And then we are ready to go. So it will refresh the page for us, and then I can click on this lead magnet funnel, and it will take me to my lead magnet funnel, which is right here. It looks nice, and now all you need to do is send as much traffic as you can right to this page using either free ways or paid ways. After they submit their information, you will receive their email address and they will become your leads, and now you can send them regular emails. I'm gonna show you guys that on this affiliate page right here, you have different email swipes. When you click these email swipes, there are some new ones, there are some old ones you can use, but I would recommend using your own emails because everybody is using these email swipes, and you need to add lots of value to your leads in order to get sales. So don't just copy and paste these emails from here, but make your own emails, make it look nice, add as much value as possible, and build trust with your leads in order to get sales, not just promoting them the same product again and again. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys do want to check out the Builderall, there's gonna be a 7-day free trial. Just go ahead and click the first link in the description below. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button right below this video. It helps me know that you like these kind of videos and I can do more of them. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you don't want to miss out on the future content. If you guys do have any questions, just go and comment below in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as best I can. With that being said, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.